across Birmingham, well, you need to get used to those because there'll be more of that over the next few days. It was certainly rather gloomy for many parts of England and Wales this morning, and we've still got some of that patchy fog for central and eastern England. It will only very slowly lift through the afternoon. And then it's the turn of Scotland and Northern Ireland tonight, with some of that patchy fog forming. But for Scotland and Northern Ireland through the rest of the afternoon, here it's the best chance of seeing some brighter spells, certainly for northwest Scotland, and the sunshine rather hazy for Northern Ireland. But elsewhere, a lot of cloud for England and Wales, and still with 1 or 2 drizzly outbreaks of rain across northern England. Temperatures fairly similar to the last couple of days, at around about 9 or 10 degrees Celsius. Now overnight tonight, for England and Wales, the blanket of cloud continues, but for Scotland and Northern Ireland, well, I mentioned that mist and fog, but I think across northern Scotland we could see a bit more cloud with some light rain. And also here, the risk of some frost forming with temperatures down to around freezing. But for England and Wales, it's going to be another mild night, temperatures around 6 or 7 degrees. And temperatures should stay up above freezing over the next few nights for most places, with the cloud protecting us. Just a small risk of a frost, I think, especially for northern England from time to time. And it's the cloud which takes us in tomorrow morning. It's going to be very grey and overcast for most of us, with some rain across northern Scotland. But I think we will see 1 or 2 brighter spells, possibly filtering their way through Northern Ireland, the borders of Scotland, and into northern England. But elsewhere, a lot of cloud and temperatures not too bad, say 9 or 10 degrees Celsius. But we will see quite a brisk wind picking up across East Anglia and southeast England. That northeasterly wind taking the edge off the temperatures, so a cooler feel in the south, and in fact we could see some gale force wind through the channels. Still fairly breezy on Friday then in the south, with quite a lot of cloud, I think, especially for the southern half of England and also across South Wales. At the other end of the country, for northern Scotland, a similar story with some drizzly outbreaks of rain. In between, we could see perhaps 1 or 2 brighter spells, but that mist and fog could linger into the afternoon. Quite a similar feel in Saturday. If anything, a little bit more cloud. We're going to have a very grey weekend to come. Temperatures all the while at around about 9 or 10 degrees Celsius. So, over the next few days I've got a lot of cloud for you, but it should at least be mostly dry, and for the weekend often grey and dull. But of course you can always get more information on the weather from our website.